When we worship Baba with complete faith and devotion, he never fails to help and protect his devotees during difficult times. Srimati Venkat Lakshmi ji has experienced numerous Baba's miracles in her life, and today I'll share a few of them in this episode. Om Sai Ram, welcome to Shirdi Sai Baba Satsang. Venkat Lakshmi ji and her entire family have unwavering faith in Baba. She says that with his blessings, they have always felt his divine presence and protection. One such miraculous experience happened when her younger daughter was 4 years old. While playing and jumping on the bed, the little girl suddenly fell and hit her head hard against the sharp corner of the window. She started bleeding profusely. Fortunately, Venkat Lakshmi ji and her husband were at home since it was a Sunday. Despite wrapping her head tightly with a cloth, the bleeding wouldn't stop. Worried and desperate, they decided to take her to a doctor. Venkat Lakshmi ji kept praying to Baba throughout the ordeal, pleading for his intervention. However, all the clinics were closed on Sunday and no doctor was available. Carrying their injured child, they frantically searched for medical help. Finally, they found an open clinic, but to their dismay, only the clinic's attendant was present. Upon inquiry, they learned that the doctor had gone on tour and wouldn't return for another 4 days. Hearing this, they were heartbroken. Once again, Venkat Lakshmi ji turned to Baba in prayer, begging him to save her child. With no other option, they decided to take their daughter to a government hospital which was far away. Just as they were stepping out of the clinic, an astonishing incident took place. A car suddenly stopped and a doctor stepped out. Seeing the bleeding child, he immediately called them back inside and without wasting any time, carefully stitched the wound. What was even more incredible was that he did so without administering anesthesia, and the child did not cry at all. Two extraordinary things happened that day. The doctor, who was supposed to be away for 4 days, miraculously returned that day. Despite the painful procedure, the little girl did not shed a tear. Seeing this divine intervention, Venkat Lakshmi ji was convinced that Baba himself had come in the form of the doctor to treat her daughter. Overwhelmed with gratitude, she thanked Baba for saving her girl's life. This experience is a testament to Baba's assurance that he never lets his devotees suffer alone. He always answers their prayers. Even years later, Venkat Lakshmi ji recalls this incident with immense gratitude. She admits that she was always worried about the long-term effects of such a severe head injury on her daughter's academic performance and career. However, with Baba's blessings, not only did her daughter excel in her studies, but she also passed all her exams with distinction. She later cleared competitive examinations and secured a job in her first attempt as a bank officer. Today, she works at Canara Bank in Bengaluru. Venkat Lakshmi ji shares yet another miraculous experience involving the same daughter during her BTech studies. Every year, their family visits Shirdi in December. To ensure a comfortable journey, they book train tickets 3 months in advance. However, during her daughter's second and third years of BTech, she faced challenges in getting leave as her practical exams were scheduled during the same period. Despite their requests, her head of the department, HOD, explained that skipping practical exams would affect her academic record, making it appear as though she had passed her degree in a compartmental manner which would negatively impact her career. Yet Venkat Lakshmi ji remained firm in her faith. She told the HOD that visiting Shirdi and receiving Baba's blessings was of utmost importance to them, and she was confident that Baba would take care of everything. She pleaded with him to find a way to help. As it turned out, the HOD himself was a devotee of Sai Baba. Understanding their devotion, he assured them that he would try his best. With Baba's divine intervention, in her second year, her practical exams were conducted on the same day, one in the morning and the one in the afternoon, allowing her to travel to Shirdi without any issues. In her third year, the department made special batch adjustments, ensuring she could complete her exams without missing her trip. Once again, Baba made the impossible possible. Venkat Lakshmi ji firmly believes that Baba always protects his devotees and rescues them from every difficult situation. She also shares that despite her initial fears about her daughter's head injury, her daughter not only excelled academically but also secured a prestigious job on her very first attempt. Out of their immense love and gratitude towards Baba, they named their daughter Sirisha, a name that begins with Shir and is inspired by Shirdi. From the day of her childhood injury, they lovingly called her Shirdi, always remembering Baba's divine blessings. Venkat Lakshmi ji strongly believes that Baba watches over his devotees like a loving mother and continuously showers them with his grace and protection. Her experiences stand as a powerful testament to Baba's miracles. Once again, it is evident that Baba never abandons his devotees and always safeguards them in times of need. If you have experienced any divine blessings or miracles of Baba, please share your experience by emailing us at the address provided in this video. I pray to Baba to shower his blessings on all of us. Let us meet again in the next episode to discuss another miraculous blessing of Baba. Om Sai Ram.